Are you familiar with the announcement when it works its gross amount count doesn't seem to reduce? If you have tried various techniques and haven't achieved the real outcomes, this video is just what it needs. I will review the task that turned my situation around and could do the same for you. Let's go. And exclusive surprise waits you. Watch the entire video and prepare to be astonished. Guys, on this video we're gonna use classic candles in 30 seconds on time frame. Alright? And for indicators, Supertend and Bollinger Bands. For Bollinger Bands, we're gonna use 20 and 2. We're gonna unselect middle and background. For Supertend, we're gonna use 1 and 1, and let this tile as the full setting. Okay. We're gonna start with $35, 1 minute on expiration time. Then I'll extend this method in more detail and show the best entry points. So let's start. All right, guys. I think it's a wonderful moment, and I decided to trade with almost the full amount I have on my balance. It's almost the half. As for this metal, this is very good moment, primarily because the long-term levels are fixed, and you see on the platform, and the current pairs is moving steadily. And I think we observe there are also four strong sales and show by 4 large red candles. Okay, and add to all these are signals from indicators and indicate that trend will continue with this downward trend. All right, we are almost to get this done. 10 seconds with that, and I think that all this made just click on the red button. All right, just follow the indicators. We got our first win, $7.92 in the total, guys. This is just one of technique can achieve to our moments in the market. True growth comes for the mastery multiply how to impact this strategy. I've created 2 exclusive results to help you to get there. Watch until the end to unlock that. Okay. I have to wait until the candle rises relatively high and then enter the trade. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Why I just need to wait for this, guys? Because that soon would get some kind of revert. Alright, just think about it. And if you just wait for that, for the candle almost hit that highest point, this action, with that one, I gain a big advantage on the market. Alright, I'm most likely confident that the trend will go down even stronger. But guys, watch out. Every time I trade when the super trend indicator gives me a signal from the top to down or down to top, it signals with the C that I'm expecting the red candle. Alright, we need to wait for that. I also recommend for good results, the Supertend red mark should be above or above the Bollinger Bands, green line for a strong signal, or in the red one. Okay, and more strong signal, I think I'm going to this. And look at this again. I found a good moment, guys. And in this case, I entered the trade by $55. Just to save 74 in the case I get a loss on this one. That's kind of lateral, but guys, look out for the new start signals by the Supertend sign. Okay, don't forget about that, please. And this is very good time to enter the trade when you get this confirmation, like this. As I told you, look at the upper green line with the Bollinger Band as well. This extreme level in this case. Alright. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. And when the candles are above the extreme level or below, and sometimes Supertrend indicators give a signal, it's a good time. That is a downward or an upward trend. It's a great time to enter the trade, and what's happening here, and look at that. Just made a profit again. $179. I think this is not one for a moment, guys. Super trend indicator giving a signal. With the red candles have been made, and this indicator will soon start moving down. And keep with this, guys. If you look closely on the screen, as you can see, the red candle started this right now. It's very good. I hope you like this method and understood how to do that, and have also showed all the details and pay attention to this one. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the button. Alright, and guys, I wish you good profits, good operations, and have a good one, and see you in the next live. Okay, bye bye.